Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to change your nickname on Facebook and Android. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This will open a menu. Now, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then, click on the Meta menu. Once you're in the Meta menu, click on the Profiles option. Next up, select your profile. Click on the Name option at the top. Click on the Manage Other Names option at the bottom. Now, enter your desired nickname in the provided space. After entering your nickname, make sure to select the Show at the top of your profile option. Now, hit the Save button. Your new nickname is officially part of your Facebook profile. Now you can see my nickname. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.